Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vauxhall Corsa 1.6 1.4 sorry ecosystem engine. This is one of the reasons you need to do your timing chain or your timing belt at the appropriate mileage, because this engine was a lucky engine. How I rescued this engine, like she came on a very right timing, because the engine is already, like, the timing chain is already almost gone. Like, I'll show you symptoms. Like, you can see, like, when I opened this engine, this is how I found it. It was already loose because it was way beyond the scheduled time for replacing of the timing chain. This is one of the reasons, and I'll show you another one below. Another one you can see is a broken rear guide. So the engine was like almost gone. And you can see, like, the maintenance is pretty much alright. You should try, like, maintaining the engine. These are reasons why it's good to maintain your engine and bring your engine down for the appropriate time for maintenance. And I'll show you the pump too. You can see this one as well. Let's see. So I have to clean all these bits, then put everything back and put new timing kits in. Yeah. Stay tuned to my channel, how I coupled this engine and how it started. Just like, don't forget to like, love, and follow for more. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Yeah, bye.